Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So finally today the market has taken a very big U-turn. Okay, so let's get into charts and let's see what is our plan for tomorrow. Okay, so these are our levels. Today market gapped up. So see, if you guys see, I always say close to the price. Okay, when it gaps up like this, there is a very high probability that what to say, if it gaps up, whoever has bought here and whoever is holding it, right, there's a very high chance that profit booking can happen, and because of that panic selling can continue. That is what actually happened here. Okay, is this negative or not? I am not very sure if this is positive, but this definitely looks negative. Okay, and because now the COVID cases also is on a rise, we can definitely look forward to short market. That is, from tomorrow, I'll be looking forward only to short the market. Because in my state where I'm living now, I'm living in Karnataka, so they have announced a big thing like many COVID cases are rising, so it's better to wear masks and don't go to public places, and a lot of things are coming up. So tomorrow, how will I trade? Okay, so is Nifty. In Nifty, if it gaps down tomorrow, there'll be a small pullback. I'll be entering in that pullback. That is the plan. I'm not sure where it will gap down or gap up, but whatever happens, I'll be only shorting it tomorrow. So if I get a price of 21,105, I will be definitely looking forward to short it from there. And my target is, I don't know, guys. I'll hold the target, but eventually my target will be 20,870, and the second target will be 20,790. Okay, these will be my targets for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty today in the noon, I actually had a good trade here. What happened? Morning I entered this trade. Okay, morning I entered this trade. After seeing this candle, I entered it, hit my stop loss, and then when it came inside the zone, I was a bit suspicious. Then I saw this huge candle. This huge candle made me really worried, and I did not see any energy in this green candle. So what happened? This very next candle I shorted it. Above this candle was my stop loss, and 1:3 was my target, what I was planning, but market it gave me big target. Okay, but then what happened? I drew this line, I kept it here. So tomorrow, if it gaps down, I'm gonna have a good profit. So plans for tomorrow on Bank Nifty is, if the price goes below 47,125 or 130, okay, 47,130, I'm definitely looking to short it, or 47,150, I'll be shorting it. Okay, and I will be aggressively shorting post 46,850. Here I'll be aggressively shorting it. Yeah, before that, I'll be shorting only on my regular lots. I'll be adding more only after this. That is 47, no, 46, 850 and below. Okay, so I hope you guys got idea of what my plans for tomorrow. And US oil, I'm currently in this position now. Which was properly going up, now it's coming back down again. Today I did not have any stop losses as till now. So what happened was, market is trying to break this trend line now. So if you see, this trend line is in 4 hours time frame. It's a strong trend line. Okay, if you guys see, this is a strong trend line which has been tested 1 2 3 4 times that it has been tested. So fifth time it is testing, and it is taking some time here. So I have bought a long position, and because the Indian market is negative, I'm going long in this. That is another reason. Okay, because the Indian market is going negative, I am going positive in commodities. Because if you are in stock market, or if you know anything about markets, you have to understand, in this kind of panic situations and scenarios, commodities tend to increase the price. Now commodities price starts to increase a lot. Okay, so this is of US oil. So I have bought a position at $75 exactly, and my stop loss is at 74.75. My take profit is at 76.19. Okay, so next is gold. Gold, it has broken our key level in this candle. I was busy making other videos, so I was unable to enter here. But here what happened, yesterday we exited cost to cost. We got 1:5. Okay, 1:4. Actually here we booked full profit. Only one small quantity I was holding, our stop loss was cost to cost, so it hit. Okay, so I'm exiting from that. So here I definitely see a good pattern. That is, it is going like this. There is a high probability it can break and go up. This is a good place to buy. My stop loss will be here, and my take profit will be here. That is 20 2038 I'm looking forward to buy gold. 2038 or 2037 or 2036. Okay, these are the prices I'm looking forward to buy. If I get these prices, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 2033. Right, so guys, and I don't have any swing trading stock for now. Let's let the market get a bit stable. From tomorrow, most of the time we'll be only able to short the market. So intraday, if I'll be getting any stock, I'll update you guys. If you guys see, this is the current market situation. Every stock is red. It's red, it's great. So this kind of a market is where you can make big profits. So I'll be looking forward to short a lot of things. I will update you guys on that shortly. So if you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. I hope you guys got some information in this. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.